What's up and welcome to another episode of Gizmo Slip. Today we're gonna find out if Apple can repair my most badly damaged iPhone Xs. They're really badly messed up. This one has a shattered back. This one's disgustingly shattered on both the front and back. This one, oddly enough, is probably the most damaged on its frame. It's completely bent, like it's coming apart, but somehow the iPhone still works and the front is not shattered. So let's see what Apple says when we go in to get them repaired. So slightly different damage on each one. They all took fairly nasty falls. This one is actually fully functional except the back is correct. And this one also has back glass. We don't replace the back glass. So how does that work? None of them have Apple Care. Basically, you guys just take these phones and swap them out, essentially. Yep. What's the price on doing that? $549 times 3, $16.50, I think. $16.47. Oh, it's lots better. So apparently they don't repair these phones. They just swap them out and charge you a flat fee of $550, which kind of works for me because these phones are basically totaled. So $550 for a brand new iPhone X, essentially. I'm down. A lot better for the consumer than I thought it was going to be, honestly. So I'm surprised the guy didn't say anything about how busted these are. They're like so nasty, gnarly busted.
Do you know more details about where this one is from?
I think that one's off the top.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
End result is 3 brand new iPhone Xs for $549 each, so for a total of $16.50. So I think that's a really good deal. I'm really impressed with Apple right now. Like, I don't think you get this kind of service and treatment at just about any other outlet except for maybe Best Buy if you had some kind of warranty through them. Apple, you get a big fat thumbs up from me. That's it for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Quick little iPhone X repair test. What do you think? Was it fair? Not fair? Let me know in the comments down below. We'll see you next time. Brandon out.